Welcome to the AgriLife MC. So today I'm going to show you how to order, unbox and test this temperature controller from Takealot. First you need to search for your product, then you add the product to cart. After that you proceed checking out. Then you approve your residential address, choose your delivery method. After that you pay for the product and you can then track your product anytime, every day. Okay, so this is my package and I've just received the package after 5 days, right? So this is how it came. I'm just coming from the courier to collect it. So now let's do the unboxing and see if the product is the way it was shown on the app. Let's do this. So I don't want to waste much of your time, that's why I'm fast forwarding this video so we can get to the product as soon as possible. So let's wait. Well, the product packaging is good, it's very nice, it was well protected. Okay, right, I think this one will need something sharp. Okay, no. And here we go. This is what we order. It is the way it was on the app, and then we'll have to test it, look at how it's out. So now the temperature humidity controller is plugged and it is working. So I set it on the heat. The temperature is supposed to be 37.4. so now when it is going down, so when it gets to 4 it's supposed to light that light. You see, it's working, it is working very good, and the humidity as well, it is working. The problem is that I don't have the humidifier, so that is why the humidity is a bit low. So but I'm hoping that the incubator is going to work. So if you want to know how I built this incubator, I will leave the link at the description below so you can go and watch it. Remember, subscribe to my channel, there are more video coming, and cheers.